Before we start with the presentation, may we request if there are prospective bidder who wish to join the meeting via online or on-site po. To the prospective bidders for the project construction of flight service station at Borongan, may we kindly request po to kindly type in and the company you are presenting in the chat box for record purposes and proper identification. Thank you. Yes po, for the interest of time, thank you, sir, representative, to proceed with the presentation. Can you introduce yourself po, ma'am?
Good morning, Mr. Chair. I am Vincent Sanz from EDMS presenting the private conference of construction of flight service station at Borongan Airport with bid number 258910 Alpha at Borongan City, Eastern Samar, with a source of fund of APP fiscal year 2025 corporate an approved budget of contract of 26,295,040.42 pesos only. The duration of 255 calendar days, inclusive of 20 rainy or unworkable days, with an applicable fee for the bidding documents of 25,000 pesos, exclusive of any or taxes imposed by relevant government agencies. This must be duly received by the Back Secretariat through the manual submission at the office address as indicated below on or before 11th of November 2025, 9:30 a.m. Late bid shall not be accepted. Bid opening shall be on 11th November 2025 at 9:30 a.m. at the given address below and or Jitsi Zoom Google Meet. Bid will be open in the presence of the bidder's representative who choose to attend the activity. For the bid documents, ITB Class 5.2. For this purpose, contracts similar to the project refer to the contract which have the same major categories of works which shall be building construction, improvement, rehabilitation, and repair. The statement of SLCC shall be accompanied by a certificate of final acceptance issued by the owner and a final rating of at least satisfactory in the contractor's performance evaluation system. In the case of contract with the private sector, an equivalent document shall be submitted. ITB Clause 7.1, subcontracting is not allowed. ITB Clause 10.1, bidder shall submit its eligibility and technical documents as specified in Section 9, checklist of technical and financial document. For the Class A documents, the legal documents under it is the valid PhilJobs registration certificate, platinum membership, all pages in accordance with the Section 8.5.2 of the IRR. Under the technical document is the statement of the prospective bidder of all its ongoing government and private contracts, including contracts awarded but not yet started. Next is the statement of the bidder's single largest completed contract, similar to the contract to be bid, except under conditions provided under the rules. The statement of SLCC shall be accompanied by a certificate of final acceptance issued by the owner and a final rating at least satisfactory in the contractor's performance evaluation system. In the case of contract with the private sector, an equivalent shall be submitted. Next is special pickup license in case of joint ventures and registration for the type and cost of the contract to be bid. Next is original copy of bid security, if in the form of surety bond. Submit also a certification issued by the Insurance Commission. Next, the project requirements, we shall include the following. Number 1 is the originally duly signed organizational chart, original of duly signed list of contractors, key personnel. Next is the original of duly signed of list of contractors, major equipment. Next is originally duly signed omnibus sworn statement. Under the financial document is the prospective bidder's computation and net financial contracting capacity. Under the Class B document, if the applicable duly signed joint ventures agreement in accordance with the RA number 4.5 566 and its IR in the case of joint venture is already in insistence or duly notarized statement from all the potential joint ventures partners stating that they will enter into abide by the provision of the joint ventures in the instance of that bid is successful. Under the financial envelope is the originally of duly signed and accomplished financial bid form, original of the duly signed bid prices of in the bill of quantities, summary of bid proposal, materials and cost estimates, summary sheet indicating the unit prices of construction materials, summary sheet indicating unit prices of labor, summary sheet indicating the unit prices of equipment, and the cash flow by quarter and payment schedule. Next is IDP clause 10.3. Valid pickup license or a valid special pickup license in case of joint venture and registration for the type and cost of the contract for this project is small b, license category C and D for the building and industrial plant. No other contractor license is permitted. So ITB clause 10.4 presented to your screen is the key personnel must meet the required minimum years of experience set below. Next is ITB clause 10.5. The minimum major equipment requirements are the following. ITB clause 15.1. The bid security shall be in the form of bid securing declaration or any of the following forms and amount. The amount of not less than 2% of ABC if bid security is in cash, cashier's manager's check, bank draft guarantee, or irrevocable letter of credit. Next is the amount of not less than 5% of ABC if bid security is in surety bond. Each of every page thereof shall be initialed, signed by a duly authorized representative of the bidders. Submitted eligibility, technical and financial documents shall be properly marked with index tabs and must be sequentially paginated in accurate order in the form of page 3 of 100, page number of last page of the document. Pagination should be sequentially based on the entire span of the whole document inside the envelope. Bids not complying with the above instruction shall be automatically disqualified. Each bidder shall submit one copy of the first and second component of its bid. Next is ITB clause 19.2. Partial bid is not allowed. The infrastructure project is packaged in a single lot and shall not be divided into sublots for the purpose of bidding evaluation and contract award. Next is ITB clause 20. The bidder with the lowest calculated bid that complies with and is responsive to all the requirements and conditions shall submit its valid PhilJobs certificate of registration, latest income of business tax return filed through the electronic filing and payment system, the key personal licenses, updated status of all ongoing contracts, including contracts awarded but not yet started, issued by the government agency or private concern. Failure to submit any of the post-qualification requirements on time or a finding against the veracity thereof shall disqualify the bidder for award, provided that in the event that a finding against the veracity of any of the documents submitted is made, it shall cause the forfeiture of the bid security in accordance with the Section 69 of the IRR of RA 9184. Next is ITB clause 21. The following relevant project documented are required to be submitted by the successful bidder who submitted the SCRB as part of the contract agreement during its signing. It is a contract schedule, bar chart and answer, per CPM network diagram, manpower schedule, construction methods, and equipment utilization schedule, and construction and safety health for the approval of the Department of Labor and Employment for the construction of flight service station at Borongan Airport. Next is the special condition of contract. DCC Clause 3.1, the Civil Aviation Authority of the Philippines shall give possession of all parts of site to the contractor upon receipt of notice to proceed. Next is DCC Clause 5, in addition to the performance security, winning bidder shall submit contractor all risk insurance upon release to the notice to proceed with a warranty of 15 years. Next is DCC Clause 13. The amount of advance payment shall not exceed 15% of the total contract price. DCC Clause 15.1. The date by which operating and maintenance manual are required is upon completion of the project. The date by which as-built drawings are required is upon completion of the project. PDF AutoCAD file of the as-built plan shall include as attachment to the required hard copy of the same upon completion of the project. The amount to be withheld for failing to produce as-built drawings and or operating maintenance manual by the date required is 2% of the contract price. Next presented to your screen is the exterior perspective and site development plan of the flight service station at Borongan Airport. The second floor plan, the third floor plan, and the cab room plan. The front elevation of the flight service station, next is the construction of powerhouse, the perspective site development plan, and the vicinity map. The ground floor plan, next is the scope of work. The project covers the supply of labor, materials, and equipment necessary for the construction of flight service station at Borongan Airport, Borongan City, Eastern Samar. Under the general requirements, the mobilization and demobilization, occupational safety and health program, project billboard signboard, facilities for the engineer, provisional living quarters for the engineer, under the construction of new four-story flight service station, under the civil and structural works for the site works, is excavation with a total volume of 77.71 cubic meter, backfilling with a total volume of 50.57 cubic meter with 20% compaction. Next is embankment with a total volume of 83.95 cubic meter with 20% compaction. Next is gravel bedding with a total volume of 30.76 cubic meter with 15% compaction. For the concrete work, presented to your screen is the total volume. Next is the masonry works with a total area of 1,087.62 square meter. For steelworks, which has a total weight of 8,592.60 kilograms. Next, for the moisture and thermal protection, which has a total coverage area of 210.85 square meter. Next, under the architectural works, the floor finishes, the tile works presented to your screen. Next is the pebble wash finish. Next is the carpentry works with a total coverage area of 174.95 square meter. Painting works, which has a total coverage area of 1,210.05 square meter. Next is for the doors with 3 sets of glass door, 1 set of steel door, and 9 sets of wooden door. Next, under the windows, which has a total of 17 sets of awning windows and 8 sets of double glazed glass fixed windows. Next, under the electrical works, which has a total installation of 801 linear meter of conduits, including boxes, hangers, support, and fittings. Next is lighting and power conductors, which has a total installation of 23 rods of THHN, THWN, 2 copper wire including accessories as indicated in the approved plans. Next is the lighting fixture and electrical wiring devices, which has a total installation of 91 sets. Next is panel board circuit breaker wire gutter with a total assembly of 3 assembly of panel board, 2 assembly of wire gutter, and 1 assembly of enclosed circuit breaker. Next is feeder conduits and fittings, which has a total installation of 57 linear meter of conduits. Next is feeder conductor, which has a total installation of 186 linear meter of THHN THW2 copper wire. Next is data and telephone system conduits, which has a total installation of 81 linear meter of conduits. Next is data and telephone system cable, which has a total installation of 1 roll of Cat6 UTP cable. Next is data and telephone system devices, which has a total installation of 2 pieces of network switch, 2 pieces of 24-port Cat6 UTP patch panel, 5 set of 1 GAM Cat6 data outlet wide series and with device plate cover, 3 set of 2 GAM Cat6 data and voice outlet wide series with device plate and cover, one assembly of 22 racks cabinet with fan, outlet, and other standard accessories, and one unit of 3 kVi UPS single-phase 230 volt. Next is fire detection and alarm system, conduits, boxes, and fittings, which has a total installation of 99 linear meter. Next is fire detection and alarm system conductor, which has a total installation of 1 roll of fire-rated cable, including accessories. Next is fire detection alarm system devices, which has a total installation of 1 set of fire alarm control system, 8 pieces of addressable optical smoke detector, 3 pieces of addressable siren with flashing light and short circuit breaker isolator, 3 pieces of addressable manual call point, 3 pieces of zone addressable module. Next, under the lightning protection and grounding system, under the mechanical works, the air conditioning units and piping support, the 4 HP inverter ceiling and floor converter type air conditioning unit, which has a total set of 2 sets. 2.5 HP inverter wall mounted air conditioning units, which a total of 1 set. Next is the 2 HP inverter wall mounted type air conditioning unit, which has a total of 4 sets. 1 HP inverter wall mounted type air conditioning unit, which has a total of 1 set. Under the ventilation works, the ceiling mounted exhaust fan, which has a total set of 4 sets of 12 inches by 12 inches, white ceiling mounted. Next is the fire protection works, FM200 fire suppression system, which has a total installation of 37.43 square meter. Next is pump work, which has a total set of 1 set of 2 HB submersible well pump. Next is under the plumbing work, the site works, which has a total volume of 61.92 cubic meter. The water line works, which has a total quantity of 49.15 linear meter. Sewer line system, which has a total quantity of 63.35 linear meter. Storm drainage system, which has a total quantity of 106.91 linear meter. Next is septic tank and catch basin. Next is plumbing fixtures and accessories. Under the special item, the furniture and appliances presented to your screen. Next is construction of powerhouse. Under the site work is excavation, which has a total volume of 77.10 cubic meter, backfill with a total volume of 56.83 cubic meter, gravel bedding, which has a total volume of 11.88 cubic meter. For concrete works, presented to your screen is the total volume for concrete works. Next is masonry works, which has a total area of 143.53 square meter. Steel work, which has a total weight of 2,058.72 kilograms. Waterproofing works, which has a total coverage area of 117.56 square meter. Next is under the architectural works, the tile works, which has a total installation area of 13.52 square meter. Next is pebble wash, ceiling work, painting works, doors, windows, and under the electrical works, lightning and power conduits, boxes and fittings, lightning and power conductors, lightning fixture, electrical wiring devices, panel board, circuit breaker, automatic transfer switch, feeder conduits and fittings, feeder conductors, electricity power supply, and generator set. Next is primary line extension hardware and metering equipment, grounding system. Next is under the mechanical work, 1 HP inverter wall-mounted type air conditioning unit, ceiling-mounted and wall-mounted exhaust fan, hangers and support fire extinguisher. Under the plumbing works, the cold water line, wastewater line, storm drainage system, septic tank and catch basin, and fuel oil handling. End of presentation. Thank you.
Through the chair, requesting permission to open the floor for question and verification. Again, if we have prospective bidders for joining online, may we request for to kindly introduce yourself and the company you are representing. Again, prospective bidders for the project construction of light service station at Barangan Airport, currently they're joining online. Calling once, twice, and thrice. So, um, it's for this course po, all request for clarification will still be submitted within 10 calendar days before the deadline of submission of bids. To the chair, request permission to proceed po to the next item.
All right, thank you. Thank you for may online no sa kanina. Pre-bid. Okay. Sige. All right, can we go back to the submission and opening?
Po, if you are the representative from Jura Build Construction. Again po, to Sir Dominador Rosario, kayo po ba yung representative from Jura Build Construction? If you have don't have your mic available po, you can chat in the you can type in the chat box or just press po an icon. To the chair, requesting permission po to proceed with the opening of the bid proposal for the project completion and rehabilitation of FSIS Annex Building.
Please proceed.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Chair. On the submitted envelope, to envelope inside, parehas ba to? Parehas na bid proposal pala ito. Copy 1 at saka original bid proposal. So, direct na tayo. On the original, bid proposal is the technical proposal and financial proposal. We'll just open the ano. Ha? Yes, kung mag-agree siya doon sa negotiation, kung bababa o hindi. At dapat mag-ano siya,
ang gawin mo dyan, yung gawa mo ng script yung pating para rin ang
dapat mag-ano siya doon, mag-agree siya dyan. With tabbing, yun. Etong pagination and signature is dito na lang, page. Pero may sign siya. Checklist, please.
Checklist, original of duly signed, bid prices, and the bill of quantities.
Bill of quantities. Signed, submitted.
Summary of bid proposal.
Summary of bid proposal, signed, submitted.
Bill of materials and cost estimates.
Bill of material and cost estimate, signed, submitted.
Summary sheet indicating the unit prices of construction materials.
Summary for unit price of material. Signed, submitted.
Summary sheet indicating the unit prices of labor.
Summary for unit price of labor, signed, submitted.
Summary sheet indicating the unit prices of equipment.
Summary for unit price of equipment, signed, submitted.
Cash flow by quarter and payment schedule.
Cash flow by quarter and payment schedule, signed, submitted.
Original of duly signed and accomplished financial bid form.
Financial bid form, signed by Mr. Richard Ibasco, Authorized Managing Officer, with a bid amount of 4,481,713 pesos and 94 centavos with no discount. It's 4,481,713 pesos and 94 centavos with no discount and below the ABC. And the floor is now open, sir, for the negotiation, sir.
Na-identify naman, no? Sorry, I wasn't here. The bidder is online?
Yes, sir.
Ay, good. Alright, Mr. Dominador, good morning, sir. So we have here your submitted bid. So this portion is for us to negotiate the bid amount. May indicated discount ba? Wala. Yun. Wala ba kayong bibigyan ng discount, sir? Maybe ask. Are you amenable for... Yes, sir. Go ahead.
Good morning. As presented po, yung commercial, yung financial document namin, as it is po, kung ano po yung amount offered.
Alright, sir. Thank you. Can we hear from the end user? Do you have any comments or inputs?
Requesting.
Sir, pwede bang tanggalin na natin tong butal, sir, yung
4,880.
4,800 gawin natin. 480.
480.
Agreed, sir. Agreed.
Baba na. Baba na. Baka pwede pa.
Or ang butal sir is 481,000, ha? Tama? Ano bang butal sir?
Gawin natin
700.
80.
1,700.
4,400 na lang kung pwede mawala yung 81,000.
480 na lang.
Yung mga 400, 4,400,000.
Sarado na lang.
No, sir. 4,400,000.
Let me check po, sandali lang po.
Sarado.
Good morning, Mr. Dominador. Ako po yung, ako po yung vice chairman, pero yet ako po yung head ng EDMS. Palagay ko, mag-agree tayo kung ilagay mo siya ng 4,450,000. That's it, 450,000. Para discounted naman ng mga 31,000. Okay na ba sa inyo yung 31,000 discount? Para 4,450,000. Sarado.
Okay, sir. I agree, sir.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Dominador.
Thank you. Are there any other inputs or comments for the purpose of negotiation? End user, TWG, wala na. Sige. Ano ba? Sige, Dayat.
To Sir Dominador Rosario, the committee accept po the final offer amounting to 4,450,000 pesos. And just for the record po, can you please clearly agree again, sir, to the final amount, sir? It's 4,450,000 pesos.
I agree to the negotiated amount as discounted and requested by CAA.
Thank you po.
Okay na. To the chair, for the recommendation of the BACTI WG, would like to request to that Durabuild undergo bid evaluation process, sir.
All right. So we have your recommendation. Let's have a motion, please, just to support the recommendation.
Yeah, motion, Mr. Chair.
Go ahead, sir.
Motion to adopt the recommendation of the TWG to conduct bid evaluation of the bid offer of Durabuild Construction to ascertain its completeness and any other arithmetical correction. Thank you.
I second, Mr. Chair.
All right, thank you. There being a motion duly seconded, the recommendation is adopted. So we'll conduct the necessary bid evaluation for the bid that was open. All right, with that, Durabuild, maraming salamat po for having this transaction with us. We'll just inform you of the next steps, sir, once the evaluation is finished. Maraming salamat din po for the discount. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.